All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how even if you've never spoken a word of Arabic before, much less the Syrian dialect of Arabic, that by using what I call a verb timeline, you can say some actually pretty advanced stuff. So here we go. And by the way, even if you're not interested in necessarily in Syrian Arabic, understand that this concept works for any language. So here's the timeline, past, present, and future. And then let me put in the present tense, bidrus means I study. All right. So I study. Verbs are starting points. So bidrus Arabi means I study Arabic. Okay. So bidrus Arabi. You could say ma Tony. Ma Tony means with Tony. So I study with Tony would be bidrus ma Tony. I study Arabic would be bidrus Arabi, and I study Arabic with Tony would be bidrus Arabi ma Tony. On Skype is ala Skype. No? So bidrus Arabi ma Tony, or bidrus Arabi ma Tony ala Skype. Okay. In the future, what you do is you bring bidrus over, remove the b, and add rah. And the 7 is a ha, an h, and the 3 is an a, like ah, okay? So rah idrus, remember what we did. Bidrus became rah idrus. So you remove the b and add rah. Okay, that's the pattern. So bidrus Arabi, or I'm going to study Arabic, right? Future is rah idrus Arabi. So how would you say I'm gonna study Arabic with Tony on Skype, right? Take a second. Rah idrus Arabi ma Tony ala Skype. Okay, so see how the combinations are happening? Check this out. If you say bidrus, bring bidrus over here, keep the b, but put kint in front of it, that means I used to study, okay? So check this out. I used to study, say I used to study Spanish, kint bidrus Espani, or if I used to study French, kint bidrus Franci, and but, where should I put but? Check this out. But is bes. Bes means but. And hala, the 2 means that the sound stops. So hala is now. So you could say, I used to study, I'll give you a challenge. I used to study Spanish, but I study, right, bidrus, but I study Arabic with Tony on Skype now. No? So that's your challenge. You should be able to say it with the building blocks that are on the screen. Fairly advanced, complex sentence using multiple tenses, but it's all just a matter of mixing and matching building blocks on a matrix, all right? So if you know how to say, I used to study Spanish, but I study Arabic with Tony on Skype now, or you could even say, but now I study Arabic with Tony on Skype, so on and so forth. Otherwise, you could be creative. Leave it in the comments, like YouTubers say. So anyways, that's your challenge, and that's how you can say advanced stuff in a completely new language in a matter of minutes using a matrix, or in this case, a verb timeline, which is a matrix.